Hey guys, today we will talk about how to create a Stripe account for non-US citizen. So let's get started. The first thing is we will head over to the Stripe Global and we'll check the availability of our country. As you can see, I am already there. And if I scroll down here, you can see 46 countries in which the Stripe is now available. Once the Stripe is in your country, you will be able to sell to customer anywhere in the world. So these are the countries in which Stripe is available. Once you confirm your countries, then you will be able to create your non-citizen US account. Because not all these countries are from the US. So once you confirm, simply head over to the Stripe and click on the option Stripe Finance. Here, click on the option Start Now. Enter your email address, full name and password. Select your country, click on it and choose the desired country. Just for showing you, I'll select this. After it, we click on the option Create Account, but before typing on it. Here you can see Stripe is available by invite only in India. Please request an invite to onboard in India. So I need to click on the option Request and Invite. And here what I need to do is I need to enter my email by which I set up my business. And here I need to select my country and region. Here you'll the list of countries which are available. So once you confirm, click on the option Continue. One more additional thing I want to share with you, you can also set up your business account with Stripe Atlas, and how can you do it? Simply click on the option Start a Company. And here you have to sign up your account in the Stripe Atlas, and you can set up your Stripe business account. And with the help of this, you can set up your Stripe account. In order to do it, click on the options Create Account, after entering your email address and password. If you want to sign up with Google, then click on it and set up with Google. As you know, if your country is available in this list, then you will be able to create a Stripe account for non-US citizens. Otherwise, you don't have any method by which you can create Stripe account.